Have you ever seen one of those home renovation shows where they get a house that's kind of falling apart, or a house that's in really bad shape, and then you got the designers and the builders that come in and then they completely transform it and make it into a new house? And they don't just throw a new coat of paint on it or something like that. They actually strip everything down to the studs and they rebuild the entire house. You ever see one of those shows? Okay. Well, that's exactly what Paul is talking about today in Ephesians chapter 4, except not about a house.